Eric, we're Radiator Grill Store doing another install on our 992 GTS. We're gonna do the AWE wind foilers. You know, these 992s got crazy wind buffeting, and these AWE wind foilers are going to help us. So we're gonna do a little quick install for you, do a little step by step. Come on with us. Here's the AWE box. They've got a little clever way to tell you to make sure you read the instructions. Online, you can scan this QR code and you can get the install instructions, but we're gonna do that here as well. Here they are, really nice bit of kit here. Go on real nice and simple. All we're gonna need are some trim tools and a T20 Torx. Let's get to it. Here we are at the car. We're going to be removing a plastic trim tool. We do have some leather here with some nice lizard stitching, so we don't want to mess that up. And we're going to take this off with our hands right now. Simple as that. T20 Torx. We'll replace it with the AWE wind foiler. You know, what a great piece of kit here. OEM fitment. And then simply reinstall the screw. Reinstall the inner trim piece and you're done. Install is the same on the other side. Looks OEM. AWE wind foilers.